Hey guys, it's Tracy here for Savvy Charmed Life, and me and my husband are going on a overnight little mini trip because he randomly got Friday off to North Georgia again. But yeah, so we're going to North Georgia. We are going to see the Minnehaha Falls, which I'll show you some clips of here. And then we are going to get on the road and try to find our way out of this backwoods dirt road area that we're in. We don't know how to get back to a main road, and we don't have GPS or 4G or 5G or anything right now. So I'm hoping that I can just use the map on my phone, which is showing me roads at least right now, to find our way to a main road. And then we're going to go to the Dillard house for lunch, and then on to Unicoi State Park overnight. And then we're going to go to hang out in Helen tonight and tomorrow morning before we go home again. So come along with me. Okay, so we drove on that dirt road for how long do you think? What was it, 3 miles or something? 2 or 3 miles?
At least.
And we thought we were literally in the middle of nowhere. And we are. So we're gonna try to find this trail that goes up some stairs, he said, and try to go see these falls. Let's see what happens. We made it. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but it's right behind me. It was literally a 5 to 10 minute walk. It just took, I'm a klutz, so I had to take a little bit of a slower walk to get up here with all the brambles and the weird stones and stuff. But it is breathtaking and definitely worth the dirt road drive and climb to get here. Here's Kevin being brave, trying to climb up the side of the waterfall to get a cool shot. Maybe he's not going to go very high. I'm desperate to see this little guy. Hi, sweetie. Hey. Trying to stay in the shade. That little guy's hiding behind the rock.
Again, once we're gone, basically.
That's crazy. That he like escaped through. I guess they're trying to get to food pellets, maybe? Like leftover ones that were over here.
Maybe.
That's crazy. He's a cutie pie. And this guy. It's like a mountain goat. You can open the door. Peach and lemon, 70 proof. And then Fire on the Mountain is our cinnamon whiskey, also 70 proof. Be interested in sampling today?
Sure.
Are you going to sample this one? No.
I don't know.
This one's going to be real earthy, real oaky, where this one has more of a bite to it because of that rye. You can try them both. I don't care.
I think this would be interesting, yeah, trying that one.
It's okay then I'm filming you, right?
What?
It's okay then I'm filming, right?
Oh, no.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
You want to compare it to the other burger?
Sure. Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. Gonna have to get one of them.
Okay.
I actually like that second name more.
You like this one better?
I think so.
Hey guys, okay, so we made it to Unicoi State Park at the lodge. I will link below our room walkthrough to this lot, to the room at the lodge. It's really nice. So we're probably just gonna like take a little break, and then we're probably gonna head to downtown Helen and get some food. I know my husband's been wanting a beer all day, so I'm really looking forward to that. And as you can see, the view behind me is breathtaking. So it's pay by plate. So we have to type in my plate number, and then I guess they send us a bill. I know that's what they're doing like in Florida for the tolls. So it's similar to that. So Kevin went to go get my license plate number so that we can pay. Or put in my license plate, whatever. How's your beer? Which one did you get?
Some sort of Oktoberfest one. I don't remember.
So what kind of meal did you get? Bratwurst?
Yeah.
Like some sort of bratwurst. And I got chicken sandwich. o'clocks. Any more pins in Southeast America. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so I wouldn't say we had the most restful night's sleep. Like I said, the lodge obviously is beautiful, and this is definitely a first world problem thing, but my pillow, like the pillows were like very small and not a whole lot of like substance to the pillows, so it was hard for me to sleep with the pillow. And the bed wasn't super comfortable, and then the air conditioner was making this like crazy weird like noise all night, and then it like pretty much as soon as the sun rose, like the lobby, it's like a common area, I guess, like a living room like gathering area that was like right outside of our room. People were out there making lots and lots of noise. So it was just like, we didn't go to bed until like 11:30, and then it took me a long time to fall asleep. I had a lot of weird nightmares and dreams and stuff, and then I didn't sleep well, and then I was woken up at like 6 o'clock in the morning by a lot of noise. So we ended up getting up like, I guess around like 7 or 7:30 and just got ready. So now Kevin is taking some photos around this like lake, and then we are gonna go to I think it's Koffer's Bakery and Cafe. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but we're gonna go get some breakfast, and then I know I want to go to the Christmas store, and then I'm not sure if we're gonna do anything else. Hey guys, I'm just here with my dog Poe. Say hello. But yeah, I just realized that I forgot to do an outro for my Helen vlog that I did with you guys. So we had a lot of fun. After breakfast, we went to the Christmas shop, and then we pretty much decided that we were really tired and we just wanted to head home. So we headed home after visiting the Christmas shop, but it ended up being a really nice little mini trip. and we had so much fun. So thanks you guys so much for watching. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video and if you would like to see more travel vlogs from me. And then also hit that subscribe button because I would love to welcome you to this Savvy Charmed Life family. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys next time. Okay, bye.